In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Evernote. Keeping your Evernote password up to date is an important part of keeping your notes and personal information secure, and the process only takes a couple of minutes once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the Evernote web interface, and I'll also share a few simple tips to help you choose a stronger password along the way. First, open Evernote in your web browser and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the main Evernote screen, look toward the lower left-hand corner of the page. You should see your profile area there. It may show your name, your initials inside a circle, or a small profile icon, depending on your setup. Click on that profile section to open a small menu with options related to your account. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Account Info or Account Information. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you out of your notes and into your account settings page, where you can manage things like your email address, subscription, and of course, your password. On the account settings page, you'll see different sections or tabs. Locate the one called Summary. This is usually where Evernote groups your basic account details. Click on Summary to open it. Inside this section, you should see information such as your account type and security options. One of the items here will relate to your password and security settings. Now follow the on-screen prompts to change your password. Evernote will typically ask you to enter your current password first, to confirm that it's really you making the change. Then you'll be asked to type your new password, and to confirm it by typing it a second time. As you do this, aim for a password that is long, unique, and hard to guess. A mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols can make it much more secure. Once you've entered everything, confirm or save the changes. Evernote may log you out on other devices for security reasons, so be prepared to sign back in with your new password on your phone, tablet, or any other computer you use. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Evernote password and taken an important step to protect your account.